one and all. How's everybody doing? I hope well. Happy Tuesday. I am at a place I've been to before, but I've never shot my videos here, called Burger Addict. So I went in and thought it's a little bit of a higher end place, at least price wise, but they have good food, so it's easy to justify. So I got these sweet potato fries. Oh man. Always a home run. All right. Let's get this burger out. Here she is. I got the burger called the Whole Hog. It is ground beef. It is bacon sauce, cheese, and just tons of bacon. I'm hoping I'll be able to set it down once I start eating it, but I'm going to use the paper, so I should be able to manage. Let's get a bite of this puppy. Oh man, that thing is just got bacon practically spilling out of it. Make sure the bun is straight. Man, I don't know what they put in there, but your first initial bite, you get like this smoky, real smoky flavor. I don't know if that's the sauce or the bacon, but it is quite delicious. Oh man.
There she is, with just the 2 bites taken out. I'm just full of
man,
goodness.
I'll tell you what, I'm only about a third way through my food. I'm getting full. The burgers are no joke here. Excuse me, getting close on the fries, which are really good. Sweet potato fries are the best. I mean, I like crinkle cut too, but I saw you had sweet potato. I had to get them because I have house cut fries, and I don't like them as well as sweet potato or crinkles. So in fact, they're my least favorite fry, mainly because most places don't cook them right. You know, you're supposed to cook them in low oil to cook them through, and then pull them up and let them cool down, and then fry them in hotter oil to crisp them up. But usually places will just throw the oil or throw them in the oil and cook them, and that's what you get. And then they come out all soggy, and they're not as good, in my opinion.
Here's the burger, like I said, working through it. Now what's interesting is that if you want lettuce, it's another 50 cents. If you want tomato, 50 more cents. On a burger that was already like $15.50. If you want onion, 50 cents. Tomato, 50 cents. Dill pickle, 50 cents. So, just FYI. And of course the fries are phenomenal. Oh yeah.
Man, I'll tell you what. I'm down to the last bite, but I'm stuffed. Wow. Me full. Alright, last 2 bites. Really good burger. Good flavor. Got a nice smoky taste. But it's a little dense. Really good though. I don't think I'll be eating again for several hours. I'm full. Alright. Let's go to the menu and I'll show you guys the menu, and I'll come back.
Alright.
currently working on the video as we speak. Right over here. It looks straight. So let's take a look at the menu. Menu, Burger Addict. No, we're not going to order. We just want to see the menu. Freaking pop-ups. Alright. Of course, I'll link the menu in the description. Let's see. So we have the Purist Burger Addict bun beef for $5.99. I'm glad they put the prices in because I talked about the prices. So it's it is a, let's see. Oh, never mind. So we got the Purist, the Addict bacon or Burger Addict cheese, beef, caramelized onions, garlic aioli, and bun. The natural Burger Addict cheese, beef, lettuce, pickle, parsley aioli. We got the luxury steak burgers. $4 extra for 10-ounce prime beef, $7 extra for 12-ounce beef. So I didn't realize they had different beef sizes. I think I went with the 5-ounce. So we got the pastrami, the Pastra Awesome. It's a burger with pastrami on it, which sounds really good. $8.99. I may have to get that sometime. I actually like pastrami. Blue mushroom. A whole hog is what I had. These prices are actually outdated. It was $15.50 when I bought it. So it's Burger Addict. So it's cheese, beef, thick cut bacon, bacon sauce, and bun. So, and if you notice, it doesn't come with lettuce, tomatoes, and all that. If you want to add those on, it's extra. The blue bacon, like I said, a little pricey but really tasty. The blue bacon, the BLAT, the Blat. Burger Addict cheese, beef, thick cut bacon, lettuce, tomato, avocado, bacon sauce. Actually, that sounds really good. Maybe that's one I should have grabbed. Bacon and egg. So, prime biscuit barbecue burger. Sounds really good. Truffle mushroom burger, mesquite chicken ranch sandwich. That sounds really good too, actually. I may have to get that sometime too. So I guess I'm going back there. Mesquite. Let's see. I think I said that already. Mesquite barbecue chicken po' boy. Mesquite barbecue pork po' boy. Mesquite prime brisket po' boy. BLT po' boy. I don't know why that's so hard to say. It's 2 letters. Come on, Mark. Bacon and egg fried rice. I don't know why they have fried rice when they have. I hear it's really good, but it's like, just do good burgers. But they have really great burgers, so maybe they're actually, it could be people in the area they ask for it, but who knows. Barbecue chicken fried rice, barbecue pork fried rice, vegan / gluten-free fried rice, shrimp teriyaki burger with pineapple, chicken teriyaki burger with pineapple, prime steak burger with pineapples, and they have shareables. Deluxe mac and cheese. I get a solo for $8.99 or a share for $11.99. Ranch mac and cheese, thick cut bacon, truffle mushroom, prime brisket mac and cheese. Then you can get the meal just for $4. It's steak and a drink, or fries, burger or sandwich, fries and a drink. Wow, can't speak today. House-made fries. It looks like they just cut their own. So. Back to the menu. Oh, shoot. Went too far. Jeez. No, I don't want to... where was I? Man. Shareables, meal, onion rings. They have ranch rings. Cajun and or garlic fries. Cajun and or garlic tots. Truffle fries. Truffle tots. They actually had tater tots too. Garlic parmesan fries, garlic tots, and sweet potato fries is what I got. And then the add-on, if you want a slice of pickle, it's 25 cents. Actually, on the menu board, it said 50 cents, so this is not reflecting on the prices. If you want lettuce, 25 cents. Onion, you can add on basically everything. Grilled mushrooms, avocado, thick cut bacon, or small thick cut bacon, and they have large thick cut bacon. Cajun seasoning. Wow, they charge for Cajun seasoning. $1.25 for it. Okay. Barbecue sauce. They charge for all the sauces. They have shakes, which I've never had the shakes there. Strawberry vanilla, and that looks about it. And then they just had cans of soda. Like I think they had Coca-Cola products in there. So pretty good. A little spendy, but you know, it's tasted really good though. See, the onion rings, they just kind of look like the beer battered frozen ones you can buy. That looks like the burger I bought. It was a really good burger. I just don't go there all that often because, like I said, it's a little pricey. But there's some photos. That's some mac and cheese, bacon all over it. They actually do have really good burgers. I'm about to go back for that chicken sandwich though. I'm a little curious. Alrighty, well that's Burger Addict. Man, really good. The meal came with a drink. Yeah, it's a phenomenal burger. Probably pretty on the heavy side, so yeah. I think I need to go out and take a nap. It was good though. Alright, well, I appreciate you watching as always. If you're interested, check out my, I have a playlist for all the local eats. And if you want to go skim through it, find the ones you like, I will catch you next week. And I'll have more content rolling up through. I got so much footage at home right now. Currently, today is Friday. Excuse me. My camping trip from 2 weeks ago, I haven't even uploaded a single video yet, so I just uploaded my hike from like 2 weeks ago. Excuse me. Wow. Alright, well thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one, and I'll start burping off camera.